The legal confrontation between actress Blake Lively and actor-director Justin Baldoni, rooted in claims of harassment during the production of the film adaptation, It Ends With Us, continues to unfold with significant new filings. Lively's representatives have moved to impose penalties on Baldoni's legal team, alleging improper conduct during the discovery phase, including references to protective statutes intended to shield individuals in sensitive cases. Reports indicate that the motion for sanctions stems from behavior observed in depositions, where questions delved into personal areas deemed irrelevant and potentially harassing. Specifically, inquiries touching on Lively's private history were highlighted as crossing boundaries, with her team citing laws designed to prevent such probing in matters involving allegations of sexual misconduct or abuse. These protections aim to maintain focus on the core issues while safeguarding participants from undue intimidation or irrelevant scrutiny. The filings describe a pattern of interruptions and extended objections from defense counsel, even in sessions they were not primarily leading. This conduct is portrayed as consuming valuable time and veering into unprofessional territory, including attempts to demean or grandstand on record. In an effort to address these issues preemptively, Lively's lawyer drafted correspondence in late September, explicitly requesting an end to what was labeled as inappropriate tactics. The letter emphasized that explorations into unrelated personal matters would not be permitted, reinforcing the irrelevance to the case's central claims. The origins of the dispute trace back to on-set experiences, where Lively asserts that certain actions created a hostile environment, affecting her professionally and personally. Baldoni's side has responded with counterarguments, challenging the validity of these assertions and leading to an exchange of legal maneuvers that has prolonged the proceedings. This development underscores the sensitivities inherent in litigation touching on harassment within creative industries, where power dynamics and collaborative necessities can complicate interpersonal relations. Both parties, recognized for their contributions to film and television, have seen the case garner substantial media coverage, elevating personal stakes and influencing public discourse on workplace conduct in Hollywood. Lively's advocacy for sanctions reflects a broader commitment to upholding professional standards and legal processes, arguing that deviations erode fairness and respect. By invoking specific safeguards, her team seeks to realign the proceedings toward evidentiary relevance. The use of such protective laws highlights advancements in legal frameworks aimed at supporting those coming forward with complaints, ensuring that past unrelated details do not derail justice. Industry watchers note that outcomes in high-profile cases like this can influence future handling of similar disputes, setting examples for decorum and boundaries in depositions. The protracted nature of the conflict adds layers of complexity, with each filing potentially shaping narratives both inside and outside the courtroom. For those involved, the ongoing battle represents not just legal strategy but also personal vindication amid intense scrutiny. As the matter progresses, it prompts reflection on evolving norms in entertainment collaborations, emphasizing consent, respect, and accountability. The emphasis on misconduct allegations during discovery illustrates the meticulous defenses employed to protect client interests while navigating ethical obligations. Ultimately, this phase in the litigation reinforces the importance of structured protections in ensuring equitable processes, particularly in cases with emotional and reputational weight.